Hello, friends and members of the Creation Research Society. Dr. Brown here. I'd like to tell you about some exciting changes on our CRSQ, that's the Creation Research Society Quarterly, our primary scientific publication, on the repository side of that, so our online database. If you've gotten our newsletter recently, you've seen this, but let me show you it here. Over the past several months, we've been cleaning and cataloging and categorizing 1,337 articles that have been published since 1964 in the CRSQ. Now, these have been available online, but we've now put it into a site and a database which is much more search and user friendly. It's going to feel just like any other journal website that you would be searching for articles on. So let me show you how this new site works. If you head over to the main CRS website, creationresearch.org, and periodicals, you go to the full database. This is going to take you to our new repository, CRSQ Quarterly Research Database. So lots of great features here. For instance, let's just try something. Let's search for Faulkner. Search for all articles published in the CRSQ by Danny Faulkner. Right now, this database is just for the CRSQ. That may change in the future. We would love to make this more broadly available, but right now it's just CRSQ. And this pulls up every article ever written by Danny Faulkner in the CRSQ. Does extraterrestrial life exist? And here's, of course, the abstract. Most importantly, here's the PDF download. Here's the neat thing about this repository. It actually searches, when you do a search, it'll search the full text article. So not just the abstract, not just the title. We've got basic search up here, advanced search in here, where you can search the full text and all sorts of other features. There are some nice ways to just browse the literature. So you could go to authors this way, go to F for, we're going to keep using Danny as an example, and it's got all of the authors, including Danny Faulkner here. Let's see what else. You can search by subjects, so we've categorized all of them into different subjects. If you go to extraterrestrial life, let's go to astronomy, extraterrestrial life. This will pull up all of the ones in that subject, and sure enough, there's the Danny Faulkner, does extraterrestrial life exist? Let me show you one other thing. Let's go to the advanced search and let's do the full text extraterrestrial life. This is going to search for extraterrestrial life in every full text PDF article on the database. And so sure enough, number 2, there's that article we've been tracking, but there's 49 articles that make some reference to extraterrestrial life. So all in all, these are some of the great reasons why this database is just a lot more user-friendly. It contains all of the past issues of the CRSQ. It doesn't contain the most current issue. Now, let me show you, though, perhaps the most powerful part of this all. So this database is indexed by Google Scholar. So if we go to Google Scholar and search, does extraterrestrial life exist? It's going to pull up articles from all over the scholarly literature about extraterrestrial life. And lo and behold, here is this one from Danny Faulkner, the Creation Research Society Quarterly. So that's the beauty of this. Now our research is not just available to those who know about CRS and creation research, but this article would pop up for anyone who's just interested in extraterrestrial life. They would be able to get a kind of a creation biblical perspective on that. So that is the new CRSQ repository. We've spent several months getting this up and ready. Lots of people have contributed to make this possible. We're excited to make this research more available. Give it a try.